guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are jumping in and looking at one of the most popular stockbrokers, M1 Finance. This is going to be a comprehensive review, the pros, the cons, and everything you must know about this broker. I've been using it for about 4 years, and I found things that I absolutely love about it, and I found things that I absolutely don't like about it. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, new to the team, we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team, and don't forget to check out my new merch. We just posted it. I'll put a link to it down below, and you guys can use code DIVIDENDS to get 20% off. So make sure you guys check it out. So let's jump into this. Now, for those of you that don't know what M1 Finance is, M1 Finance is a stockbroker. So pretty much they allow you to invest into the stock market. Now, the reason why I absolutely love them is because they have several different account types you can have. You can have a standard broker's account. You can have a Roth IRA, traditional IRA, a SEP IRA. You're going to have your 401k. You can have a variety of different accounts. This is fantastic comparing to other brokers, even like Robinhood, where you're only limited to 3. You can either have a standard broker's account or a Roth or a traditional IRA. And another really cool thing that M1 Finance has is something called a custodial account. So this is an account you can sign up for your kids and invest, for them for the future, which honestly is really cool. It's really cool to see. Most brokers honestly don't have that, so it's really nice to see something like that. On top of all the cool things that M1 Finance has for their investing, they do have other accounts for like a savings program, a debit and credit card, all that stuff, which is pretty neat. But by far, the main reason why I absolutely love M1 Finance is because they offer something called PI investing. PI investing is different than traditional investing. Pretty much what it is if that's just say you have $100 to invest. Instead of investing $100 into one thing, you can spread it out and invest $25 into 4 things. It's a great way to invest consistently and use my strategy that I absolutely love called dollar cost averaging. So investing consistently is way better, in my opinion, than investing just a lump of money all up front. The reason why is because you could be buying in overvalued. So if the stock sells off, if you already invested, you're kind of out of money. But the good thing about dollar cost averaging is you can average down that price. So once it recovers, you make a lot more money. On top of the PI investing that M1 Finance offers, they do offer a whole bunch of different portfolios that are suited for you. If you don't know where to invest or what to invest in, you can go on and they have general investing. They have a way where you can track different hedge funds so you can invest like Warren Buffett, Paul Tudor Jones, or a variety of other massively successful traders. M1 Finance is definitely suited for an investor that just wants a standoff approach and just wants to invest and forget. It's not suited for somebody that is actively looking to buy and sell and trade the markets. It's more suited for an investor that will kind of just invest and forget. And that brings me to my cons. This is going to be the things that I honestly don't really like about M1 Finance. Starting off with, it's not suited for traders. This broker offers something called trade windows. So this only allows you to buy and sell your stocks at a certain time period. And if you want to buy in the morning and sell in the afternoon, you have to pay $10 per month in order to do that, because that is on their premium program that they have. And if you want that custodial account for your kids, that does come at $10 a month. It's just one flat fee for all this other stuff. But honestly, in my opinion, I don't like that. Anytime you have to pay monthly to do something that some other broker does for free, in my opinion, isn't the greatest. If you wanted to get a free custodial account, Fidelity has a fantastic custodial account that I would highly recommend. And what's cool about Fidelity is you can have friends and family contribute for like birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, which is really neat for your kids, which is awesome. And like I said, M1 Finance, they do charge for that. Yes, you get discounts on margin and a variety of other things, a little better savings for your money, but you're still paying for it. You're paying $10 a month. Now, $10 a month compounded for 40 years will add up to thousands of dollars. So honestly, if you are paying $10 a month, I wouldn't recommend M1 Finance. But if you're just doing the basic IRAs or standard broker's account, M1 Finance is going to be a great broker that I would highly recommend. So now that we kind of talked about the things I don't like and the things that I like, let's rate this out of 5 stars. So for a long-term investor, M1 Finance is going to be great. I would give it a 4.5 out of 5 stars. But for a trader, this is not going to be the greatest. It's going to be a 2 out of 5. I definitely think other brokers would be better suited. The only reason is just the trade windows that they offer. I don't like being pigeonholed. You know, if I'm in a position and I can't sell it, that's not good for me. I want to be able to trade the markets, and I get M1 Finance is suited for a long-term investor and just not a trader. There is a lot better brokers like Moomoo or even Robinhood would be a better trading broker than M1 Finance, but M1 Finance blows them all out of the water when it comes to long-term investing. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. This is my honest review of M1 Finance after 4 years. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll put a link to M1 Finance down below so you guys can sign up, but we'll see you guys later. Take care.